Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Crown Victoria how-to video. So on this video we are working on a 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor package, black and white. This is I want to say this is like another part to a video that we already made, because sometimes the upfitting companies remove the horn and well, not remove the horn, but the whole wiring diagram, right, gets changed. And we're usually well, this video is about if your horn is not working, in another place to look for the actual a way to solve the issue. Okay, we already fixed it, so I wanted to show you what to look for if you have this similar setup. Okay, so the obviously we want to come under here and we want to look for that blue wire, right? That bluish wire. Usually you might see it here, tucked in here. We actually found it right here underneath. Usually this is kind of usually where it's at. Okay, so it's connected. We didn't have to do anything here, anything special to anything special, honestly. Okay, since it was connected. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put this away once we're all said and done. Underneath the actual steering wheel, nothing seemed out of the abnormal. Okay, so the next thing we wanted to do is we wanted to trace and track down to see if we see any cut wires. So nothing looked from under the steering wheel. Everything was fine. Obviously we see the wire here and it was fine. Nothing's on this side that doesn't look abnormal. Okay, because the steering wheel horn was not working. Well, the horn, obviously, I'm sorry. So let me show you what we did to fix this and what else we looked at. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so now we're here to the hood. Okay, we've seen that we pulled the cover off of here. Okay, so it's two or three twist plastics, and you twist them, they come right off. Okay, so pull gently off and it comes right off. Okay, on both sides. So we looked at the connector here, and the connectors obviously show that it's good, right? But then we started we usually want power on this vehicle, believe it comes out this way, okay, towards the battery. And look what we found. Okay, so we found our blue wires. Okay, they were completely cut off. Okay, completely cut off. And I checked voltage on the wires, and yeah, it was reading with the multi-volt reader, it was reading about 12 volts. So we definitely had a hot wire. Okay, and I was a little bit under I was about to freak out, because if this wasn't the issue, that means the issue will be somewhere between here and all the way to the steering column, right? So didn't want to really go through all of that. Okay, I was kind of crossing my fingers, but this actually did solve the problem. So grab your two, remember we got to be careful, because one of these wires are actually hot, so you do not want to let it touch any ground. Okay, so if you have this set up, go ahead and connect these two blue wires. One of them will say R plus N, okay, and the other wire will say horn, which is what was right there on this wire here. We just we spliced it, and yeah, that's the actual end right there. So that was horn. Connect these two together, and now we have horn. Cool. All right, guys. Well, again, this is like a part 2 or 3 to this horn issue on these Crown Victorias, based on the upfitting modification that they done to the vehicle. Like that, you get your horn to work, because horn is obviously it is a safety thing. We will not let a vehicle go without a horn. Okay. So if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to videos on these interceptors. We do got some more coming. We got 4 more Crown Vics, okay, that just arrived. Some some Explorers. We got a bunch of fun stuff coming, and that are coming and arrived. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Most importantly, have a blessed rest of day.